Welcome to my channel. Canon Printer Error 5100. Simple solution. Step 1. Turn off the printer. Press the power button to turn off your Canon printer. Unplug the power cable from the wall and wait for about 2 minutes. This gives the printer time to reset. Step 2. Check for paper jam. Open the front and rear covers of the printer. Look carefully for any jammed paper, even small torn pieces. Remove any paper gently to avoid damaging the printer. Step 3. Remove any foreign objects. Sometimes small objects like paper clips, labels, or dust can block the printer carriage. Check inside the printer and remove anything that doesn't belong there. Step 4. Inspect the ink cartridge carriage. Open the printer cover and wait until the ink cartridge carriage moves to the center. Make sure it moves smoothly from side to side. If something is blocking it, remove the obstruction carefully. Step 5. Reseat the ink cartridges. Take out each ink cartridge and reinstall it securely. Make sure every cartridge clicks into place correctly. Loose cartridges can trigger error 5100. Step 6. Clean the encoder strip. Locate the thin transparent plastic strip behind the cartridge carriage. If it has ink or dust on it, gently wipe it with a soft, lint-free cloth. Be careful not to pull or scratch the strip. Step 7. Restart the printer. Reconnect the power cable and turn the printer back on. Wait for it to complete its startup process and check if error 5100 has disappeared. Step 8. Perform a printer reset. Turn the printer off, unplug it for another 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. A simple reset often clears temporary printer errors. Step 9. Update the printer driver. On your computer, check if the Canon printer driver is up to date. Installing the latest driver can improve communication between your printer and computer and help prevent recurring errors. Thanks for watching.